Hey guys, Dwayne Williams here, and I just want to record a quick video for you because I'm seeing something that is happening on YouTube. There are sometimes you're posting content and your content is not getting any views. Now, also there are sometimes you might be posting content and you realize that it's like your content is being ghosted. So, are you being ghosted by YouTube, or also could you run the risk of being demonetized? Let's explain all this. So, as I said, Dwayne Williams here, checking out for another video. So this is an email I have received, and it is saying that here your content is no longer eligible for monetization, but this is only your first warning. Your second warning could be that your channel be banned. So is your YouTube channel at the risk of being banned? So what I'm seeing here, this guy, he has posted a video thumbnail, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the thumbnail what it was. And on that thumbnail, the content and the thumbnail was deemed a little bit racy. So what YouTube can do, YouTube is now able, with the YouTube AI, artificial intelligence, they're able to pick up on these type of content. And once they pick up on these type of content, they could ghost your content for being adult content, or they could also ghost it for being racy or violent. And they could demonetize your account or even ghost your account so no one could see your content that you're posting. So how do you get over this situation? How do you correct this? How do you fix it? So we're going to take a look at a software that we are using to create YouTube thumbnails. So here you can see we have a list of a lot of thumbnails inside here that we could actually create. And all you would have to do is just click on use thumbnail, use template, and then you could create whatever you want. So they have a lot of thumbnails here, but inside the software as well, they also have this feature where you could, once you have created your thumbnail, you could check to see if they are racy, violent, or have medical claim. So let's go to YouTube. I'm going to take a look at this thumbnail right here to see what YouTube would think about this thumbnail. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the link address. Once I copy the link address, I'm gonna go back to this software right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and upload this link address. And once I go ahead and analyze, so let's see what they think about this. So you could see it's 80% safe. It has a little bit of adult content inside here because you could see she's showing her body and it has some adult content. In this you could see also before and after, so they can read all of this. And you see it has a medical claim, so it's 80% safe for medical claim. And you see here it is a little bit spoofy as well because it has like a female figure, a little bit sexist inside there. Inside here you could also see that it has no violent content, and it also has a little bit of racism because as you can see here, it's a larger picture of a black lady. So this content is not very safe for YouTube. You want to get it to be about 80% or higher. So let's check out another piece of another YouTube video to see if we could find one that is safe. So we're going to go ahead and do a new image. Let's check out a new one to see. Okay, so this, let's check out this image right here. Where is it? Okay, so that is not loading, so bear with me. I'm just going to upload another image from my image that I have used, so bear with me just a second. And you definitely want to go ahead and watch this video to the end. And the software that I'm using to analyze this, you could get the link to that software in the description. So you could have that software for yourself to create your images and also to analyze your images once you have created them, so that you know that the image that you have created is one of the best image for YouTube, and YouTube will not be unhappy with your image. So let's go ahead and analyze this image right here. So you could also analyze image from your desktop. So I'm glad that I was unable to pick up that video so that I could show you. So let's analyze this image to see what YouTube would read from this and what they would think about this image. Okay, so you see this image is adult safe. It's 100% adult safe. It doesn't have any medical claim. It's not spoofy. It doesn't have any violence, and it is just 80% racist. So you see this image has a 96% rating, and these are the type of images that you want to create for YouTube. These are the type of images that will get a high click-through rate, and also will get your content being shown to more persons. So as for the image that the gentleman uploaded, that was he was unable to get his video was eligible for being demonetized and also was ghosted. I'm going to show you that image, and then I'm going to show you what YouTube actually think about that image here. So this was one of the image that he uploaded. So let's go ahead and analyze this image that was uploaded to YouTube and see why his account was being flagged to be demonetized and also be banned from YouTube. You could see that the content here is adult content. It has a medical claim where it's the best weight loss for apple cider drink. So it has a medical claim. It is a little bit spoofy. It doesn't have any violence, but it's also racy. So this gives it a 80% score, which is not very bad. But based on the spoofiness of this content and the medical claim, YouTube will definitely be ghosting this type of content. So even though it has a 80% score, your content could be ghosted, and others on YouTube may not be seeing your content, and you might be wondering why you're not getting any views on YouTube. This is the reason why you'll not be getting any views. If you have adult claim in your content, if you have medical claim, if your content is a little bit spoofy, have any form of violence, or is it racy, these are the things that YouTube are cracking down on. And in order to fix these, you definitely need this software right here that will be able to create awesome thumbnails for you, and also you could analyze your thumbnails once they are created. So if you'd like to pick up this software, the link is in the description. Go ahead and click the link in the description to get this software right now. And also, if you think this video was helpful for you, go ahead and leave me a comment. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.